What? We haven't seen the chicken yet. It's pretty early today. I have an appointment I have to go to, and Floofy Butt has to have her Floofy Butt bath today. Excuse me. Yeah, so we got to go to the vet. We on to the vet. So Stinky Dog becomes unstinky. Cletus isn't stinky. Cletus is a smell good dog. Cletus don't get dirty. She has a very good hygiene routine. Isn't that right, Cletus? I guess it's too early for chicken. Oh! Looky there in the tree. It's a chicken. It's a tree chicken. Come on, chicken. I got your corn chicken.